It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we are doing a glittered out Founders Day look, okay? If you do not know, I am a member of Zeta Phi Beta Sorority Incorporated, all right? So Founders Day is January 16th, okay? So I am getting ready for that. This is not for J16 of this year. This is for last year. So just rock out with me. We're posting it this year. This year I probably will be at the house, but you know, we all understand the current situation that we're in. So I'll probably, you know, beat my face, get on the Zoom and all of that. But I wanted to show you guys the look that I did last year. So here it is, okay? So first, I'm starting off with foundation. Y'all know the routine, okay? Then I'm going in with some concealer to highlight my face. And if y'all have any questions, comments, or concerns, please put those in the comments. I love reading you guys' comments. I try to make sure that I respond to every single one. So make sure that you guys are commenting, okay? So I'm also using the concealer to carve under my brows and put on my lid for my eyeshadow. And this look was done on Facebook Live. I told you I like to go live on Facebook and do my makeup. So this was done over there. And I tried to condense them down to put over here. I know after it's all done, you probably don't want to go back and watch a 1 or 2 hour long video. So I try to condense it down and make it into a YouTube video. So after I blended out the concealer, I'm going to set that area first before I set the rest of my face to make sure that it doesn't move or crease and all of that. And at the beginning of the video, I showed you guys some of the blue eyeshadows that I will be using. As we get into this new year, y'all make sure that you put some suggestions below so that I can know what you guys want to see on my channel. I basically do all things beauty, from hair, nails, makeup, all of that, okay? So give me some comments, let me know what you guys want to see so I can put that content out for you all. So I'm going in with this dark blue shade in the outer V area. I did add a light shade right under my brow bone. And with this, what I'm really doing is kind of just smoking out with that dark blue, and then I'm going to put some glitter on top of it. So I used both of those blues that were right next to each other in that Mary Kay palette that I created. And I'm just going to really just smoke it out. Those two blues there. And I'm going to pop some glitter on top of it, and it's going to be amazing. I I also had to hit that bottom lash line with some color as well. And in this video, I don't know what we were talking about, but I know we had a good time. I added some more of that lighter shade at the top and kind of blended it with the blue. Now I'm going to do my blush, contour, all of that stuff. And for your blush, remember you want to put it on the apples of your cheek. I like to put my contour kind of under where I put that blush. And if you kind of, do that little fish face, you'll kind of see where you need to put that contour to kind of, snatch out the face so that more of that, structure in your face will show. Of course, I like to get the sides of my nose to kind of snatch my nose a little bit. Then with my highlight, I like to go on top of the blush. So it's kind of like a Neapolitan effect. That's what I like to go for when I highlight, blush, and contour my face. Now I'm just going to line my lips and do my brows. And I like doing my brows after I do my eyeshadow. I feel like having that powder and everything on my face, it just makes the product go on smoothly. If I do my brows first, I like to put powder on my brows and then do my brows. But doing them last, it really works for me. If you are just starting out, you may want to do them first so that you can, clean them up and all of that. Now it's time for the glitters, okay? So I'm going to use my Itz Sirap glitter in royal blue. And I'm using this small brush here, and I'm just going to apply some of the glitter primer. And wherever you put the glitter primer, that's where that glitter is going to stick. So I like to work in small sections. And this glitter is from my fine glitter collection. It has 20 colors. So if y'all are looking for glitters for your eyes, lips, all of that, it is non-toxic, so it's definitely safe to use on your eyes or your lips or your face, or any of the crazy kind of looks that I do. I use my glitter for that. So now that the first section is done, I'm going in and adding a little bit more. And doing a kind of glitter cut crease is really up to you. You can just do the inner corner, you can do the whole lid, you can do half of the lid. Like, it's so customizable. You can do like a bunch of different colors and do like an ombre with the glitter. The options are really endless. Whatever you do, I would say to pace yourself. you know, kind of figure out the look that you're going for and then go section by section, because you don't want to put a lot of glitter primer all over your lid and then, you know, you take your time applying the glitter and the product dries. So just work in sections. So I sprayed my face with my Mary Kay setting spray. Now I'm going to finish my lips. And I was just showing the setting spray that I used. For my lips, I just applied a nice gloss. Now I am finishing up my eyes with some eyeliner. And of course, I'm going to put on some of my lashes. And when you have glitter, you have to have a wing eyeliner. It's just a must in my book. And here I'm using our gel eyeliner in jet black. For mascara, I love to put mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. I'm not really a eyeliner kind of girl for my bottom lash line, like in my waterline. I don't really do that a lot. Sometimes I do if I want to increase the drama, but most of the time I don't do that. So here I'm popping on my lashes, the Itz Sirap lashes, of course. And I'm using my handy dandy curved tweezers to help me. I had my blue nails. I was just so ready. Popped on my blue wig. Y'all know I pull this blue wig out every year for Founders Day, okay? I love this wig. I popped these big curls in here. I had on my 100 years shirt for our Centennial. And this hair and the curls was just everything. So y'all know I can't just throw the wig on. We got to, you know, lay some baby hair, you know, do all that stuff. So that's what I'm about to do now. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Here I'm just putting some powder in the part to make it look more realistic. Y'all know I don't pluck my wigs just in case somebody wants to buy it. I will be able to, you know, fully customize it for them. I pluck the hairline, but not, you know, in the parts and all of that, because once you do that, it's over with. So here I'm just laying some little baby hairs and everything. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure you leave me some comments and let me know some other things that you guys want to see. Also, make sure that you all are sharing my videos. This year, I am going to get my play button, so I need you guys' help to do that. If you see something that you like on my channel, make sure you go to a playlist and watch and learn from the content that I am putting out. If it's something that I haven't posted yet that you want to see, definitely leave me a comment about that so that I can give you all what you want to see, okay? So this look was amazing, definitely one of my favorites. I added my jewelry and everything. Of course, my jewelry site link is in the description bar as well if y'all want to go grab y'all something nice, okay? So y'all always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap, y'all. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye bye.